These watermelon sculpture videos are going absolutely viral on social media right now. And take a look at this Instagram page. They have just started and already pulled in over 65,000 followers purely by posting this exact style of content. And some of his videos have already racked up insane number of views. And now watch what I had created in 2 minutes. Here is full method how you can create these for free. First, all you need is this master prompt. You will find its link in description. Copy this whole master prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Here, switch to video mode. Select your desired aspect ratio and select Omni Flash as your video model. Set the video duration to 10 seconds. Once everything ready, paste the prompt in the prompt box. Now come to designated object section in the prompt. Here you can type any animal you want. For example, I'm going with dragon. Now click Generate. Wait a few minutes while Google Flow creates your watermelon sculpture video. And now watch the full result together. You can create endless variations using this with any animal or object you like. If this video helped you, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming viral niches.